Nag-spastic ka ba? India sa nasihan at papatay na. Ihan! Sabihin na round base is already mabalto with possible hits. 6 minutes at 8 nakukuha sa itong Ronnie Latari, Papa Ronnie, ipas na mo to the Roman, the period 13, busted in. Itong Isaiah Luis at Frank De La Cruz na MVP. Inside jumper, good for 2 bucks. Patungan naman sa front-court, bounce pass, at jumper for 2-pointer. Ikabandi knocks it! At 2 minuto at 29, Frank De La Cruz. Nag-spastic ka ba? Good for 2 bucks. Kaya po, ito nga sa rin ang Rapids, labas India sa nasihan at papatay na. Ihana! Bang! 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 Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Frank De La Cruz Baya, the spark and power put up from down low. Lamang ng Rapids, nagagaling pa. Tuloy, Frank De La Cruz ang kidlat ng good spot. Basket, good for 2 points. Frank De La Cruz ito ang flight. Bang! Good for 2 points. Ibigay naman dito kay Valencia. Ibigay kay Dula, delivers good for 2 points by Gerard. Away from downtown, short shot for Martin. Dula trying to pull. Kasama rin po natin at between number 9. Here may si Boy, jumper number 0 sa ating second quarter. Pagkakalo sa kapunta. Boom! Yung lamang na narating sa tulad. This time, Dikita, jumper, for 2 points by Dikita. Going for a government, put siya, grabe mo na boys. Grabe natin, balang prinsip diwa, from Sumuli, Espanyola. Hindi ba makakakapot ng mga kulot, pero si Dian Paul Madeja, no. Short shot by Dennis there, 14 ang Rapids, recovered by his teammate, Frank De La Cruz. Yan ang kick out, jumper by 2 points, 2-pointer, hindi na from defeats. But Paul Pepe, jumper for 2 points. Tuwa naman ng 11, 27-16, bitin na naman kailangan. Bikita, boom! Nakating kagawad, yung Rita Tadrina at nakating kagawad at Sijo. Outside jumper, Juri! Napili na happy ball game. Tatlong po, dapat sa 19, read from downtown. Let's go! Tuwa naman kung yung kalahati at naman po yung ating pahanggang shootout. During the halftime break, outside jumper, boom! Patuloy nakagalaw na sila naman. Yung kaninang ginagawa kay Bakal sa number Cruz. It's good. Once again from the wing corner, pasok na naman yung 2 puntos. Lumalang ka naman ang dalawang DJ, mga kaibigan ng mga tropa ng Round Twins. Pagsipin palo, shot ang iso. Wala ang shot ang mga kaibigan. Jan Paul Madeja, pasok na. Jan Paul Madeja. Jan Paul Madeja, simple lang yung pagkakaroon, pero pag inside jumper, pag-upig na jumper, galing naman noon. This is the third semester. Isaiah De Luis, mampapraso naman. Ang short again, si Valencia pa rin nakukuha. Dulay jumper! Mag-minutes and 30, score natin 41-35. Jumper by Madeja, bang! Good performance by Madeja. Madagas, for Pepe Madeja. Nag-ikot, good rotation. Nag-ikot 4 points. Ayun na sa quartet. Pinang mo na inside jumper, for 2 points for Dele. Set, bang! Good performance para sa ating Mariterocho, 44. Napupisang bahay. Bilis na naman yung si Deres at may nakuha Madeja. Libre. Kala mo na. Good for 2 points by Pepe.
At sa Valenzuela.
For 8 seconds para sa isang target. Bikita. Yung bilis at siya po, yung po yung hindi na maharap. 14 na Rapids. Nakakuha. Nasa tabi, kinaliwapan 2 for 2 was by Gerard. Madeja, 3 points. Good. 5 minutes remaining. Duel jumper, bang, 2 points again. 15 Desas, 13 seconds on the shot clock. Right now, humanap na pwesto, pumul ng tatlo.
Sabi niya.
Masuk na oras at 20 seconds para sa ating nakita ng shot clock. Inside jumper, good for 2 points. Lamang na po, mga shot clock down to 8.
Sunod yung ano.
Shot clock down to 5. From basketball ground for 2 points. Final quarter, shot clock down to 8. Pero Madeja, recovering po ba, 2 for 2 points. Aisas, sikat na ho ng mga ng espasyo, stepping out. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining.
Nasa
At hindi na mapanatakatuan.